If you're building the same AI projects in 2026 that everyone else is building, well, you're already behind. Not because you're not smart, because you are, not because you don't work hard, because I know you do, but because the job market has shifted and most people don't even realize it yet. Over the last year alone, I've personally mentored engineers who landed roles at companies like Amazon, Meta, Stripe, Apple, Nvidia, and high-paying startups you've never heard of, the kind that don't even post their roles publicly. But here's the part that might surprise you. None of those engineers stood out because of leak code. And they definitely didn't stand out because they built another ChatGPT wrapper. They stood out because they built a couple of high signal projects. But before we go over those two projects, you first need to understand why they even stand out. Because once you understand that, you'll never look at portfolios the same way again. And before we go any further, if your goal this year is to land a high paying offer and you want a personalized roadmap specific to you, just click that link in the description and book a free strategy call with me. Now, let me take you back to where the project journey really begins. Everyone starts in the same place, confused, overwhelmed, doing what everyone else is doing. I remember an engineer I mentored, let's call him Eric. Eric was doing everything right, or so he thought. Solid school, multiple ML courses, couple of projects on his GitHub profile, but he would send out applications and either get rejected or ghosted. Eric came to me and said something I hear all the time.
I don't understand. I have projects. Why am I not getting interviews?
Here's the uncomfortable truth, and here's where most people get stuck. Not all projects are created equal. Some projects signal student, some of them signal hobbyist, and a tiny elite category of projects signals.
This person thinks like an ML engineer.
And this is where the story turns. Because once Eric realized what category his projects fell into, everything changed. Our enemy in 2026 is what I call commodity projects. Everyone is building chatbots, fine-tuned LLMs, supposed end-to-end pipelines. Hiring managers see this listed on resumes hundreds of times every week. So the real question becomes,
What kinds of projects immediately force a hiring manager to slow down?
I'm going to reveal two of those projects in just a moment. But first, I want to show you what happened with Eric. When Eric started working with me, I told him something that initially frustrated him.
We're going to delete 80% of your portfolio.
That's a terrifying moment for most people. But what happened next is why this video exists. We replaced his projects with a couple of brutal, uncomfortable builds. Projects that forced him to read real papers, required some serious debugging, and do not have tutorials anywhere on YouTube. And just 6 weeks later, Eric landed multiple on-site interviews at FANG. And now it's time to reveal project number 1. This project separates amateurs from ML engineers. Now, let me tell you why this matters. Most ML projects treat data as rows in a table or sequences of words or pixels in an image. But tons of data in the real world doesn't fit this format. Social networks, supply chains, recommendation systems. That's why companies like Amazon, Meta, Uber, Stripe, they actively hire people who understand graph-based reasoning. One engineer I mentored, Jack, built a graph neural network to detect fraud in transactions. No flashy UI, no hype, but his result was a 180K plus offer as a machine learning engineer. Before I reveal the second project, let me walk you through how to build this one at a high level. First, pick a real relational dataset like transactions or social media users. Second, define your nodes, edges, and features. Third, implement a GNN using the PyTorch geometric library. And finally, compare the results against non-graph baselines. Now, keep watching because this second project is even more powerful. But before we talk about it, if you're watching this and thinking, I have no idea how I'd even start project number 1, that's exactly what my free strategy calls are for. We'll map out what projects are best for you, how deep you need to go, and how to actually use them to land your dream interviews. Book a free call with me using the link below. Now, let's get into this second project, which scares even strong candidates. Most people avoid reinforcement learning. Too abstract, too unstable. But that's exactly why it stands out. One engineer I mentored, his name was Aaron, He built an RL agent to optimize warehouse routing, a messy, real environment. The result was multiple interviews at top AI startups. And he ultimately landed a role where he literally builds these systems for a living. Here's a high-level overview of this project. First, define a real decision-making environment. Second, define state, action, and reward. Next, implement at least one RL algorithm from scratch. And finally, show learning curves, instability, and fixes. Now, if you want my guidance building your portfolio and turning it into a high-paying offer, click that link below and book a free strategy call with me. We'll build out a custom roadmap for you that actually works in 2026. Again, click the link below and I'll talk to you soon.